Hi everyone, Dr. Alisa Kaufman, and I'm here to tell you a very cool thing. Would you love to have denture insurance that's affordable? Have you even heard of denture insurance? Well, now that you have heard of it, I'm going to tell you. It exists. You're probably on our website for that reason anyway. House called Dentures. We have this program called Denture Safe. You send in your well-fitting dentures. Don't blame us if they're not well-fitting. You could send in your dentures that aren't, but you want them to be well-fitting. We will put them in the cloud, store them there, a file, a digital file. No, you don't have to understand what that means, but we do. And for a very affordable cost, you'll get them delivered to your home in a day or so. Yes, you heard that right. You send us your dentures. It'll all be safe and secure, and we will overnight them back to you. And then you never have to worry about losing them again. Did you hear that? So if your loved one has some cognitive issues, dementia, Alzheimer's, if they're going into a nursing home or an assisted living, or if you just want that great feeling knowing that you won't have to go through that process again and pay for it again, we are for you. For more information, check out all of the frequently asked questions. And if you have any question that you want to direct to me or to my team, just reach out.